How to roll over 401k to Gold IRA with top companies for 2024. As the quest for financial security continues, converting your 401k into a Gold IRA could be a wise move. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a streamlined guide for a smooth transition. 1. Review your 401k. Check if your plan allows rollovers and understand any restrictions or penalties by contacting your plan administrator. 2. Choose a custodian. Select a reputable Gold IRA custodian. Look for transparency, customer service, and fees. 3. Open a self-directed IRA. This account allows you to invest in gold. Your chosen custodian will help with the necessary paperwork. 4. Start the rollover. Request a direct rollover from your 401k to the new Gold IRA. Ensure the check is made out to the IRA custodian to avoid taxes and penalties. 5. Buy gold. Use your IRA funds to purchase IRS-approved gold like American Gold Eagles or Canadian Gold Maple Leafs. 6. Secure storage. Store your gold in an IRS-approved depository for tax advantages. Confirm it's insured and secure. 7. Manage your IRA. Regularly review and adjust your Gold IRA to align with your retirement goals and market trends. 8. Future contributions. Consider adding more funds to your Gold IRA and understand withdrawal rules, including required minimum distributions, RMDs. 9. Stay updated. Keep abreast of legislative changes affecting Gold IRAs to ensure compliance and optimize your investments. 10. Periodic reviews. Regularly assess and adjust your investment strategy to meet evolving financial goals. By following these steps, you can effectively diversify your retirement savings with gold. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.